January. Today we are going to discuss what is a Splunk and what is the basic concept of Splunk we need to know. So in the previous class I told you how to configure the Splunk and how to get the logs and how you are going to analyze the logs. Go through that video for configuration of your Splunk, and if you are choosing in a SOC team, go through that video. So today we will discuss a basic concept and basic terms in a Splunk and what we will discuss today. Okay. So this is SIEM tools. You need to understand the first thing, what is SIEM tool. Basically security information and event management, which is SIEM full form. And basically we will discuss today is a Splunk. A Splunk is a tool used for cybersecurity teams to collect and store and analyze the logs. So which means which are digitally records of everything happening in a system. I'll tell you once again, which are digitally records everything happening in a system. Means whatever the things are going on your system, it comes under the logs and events. Basically events means the running process in your system. So events are nothing but logs. So in a simple example I'll tell you, imagine you are in a cybersecurity, you are a manager of a cybersecurity company with 10 computers. So you want to monitor who your employees logs, which means which website they are opening and which browser they are using, what they are using, and how many times they are logging in. It comes, they will, whatever things your employees is doing on, so you need to observe. So that you need to have a setup of a system which is called a Splunk. Means it's collect the data and it will view the data and everything it will show. So it's in a Splunk thing. So I think you are figure out this. Then leading of SIEM solutions. Basically these are tools which is Elastic Security and Fortinet SIEM and Splunk Enterprise Security and Rapid7 inside IDR. So these are the tools. Also we can say that. Then what is Splunk? Already I told you. A Splunk is a tool used for cybersecurity teams to collect, store, analyzing logs. This is a basic definition. So in that Splunk, what is data indexing and real-time capture and visualization? So basically data indexing means so data index are search of logs are sufficient data retrieval. So basically data indexing means which means searching logs files. So easily if you want to find out the logs, you can use the data indexing. So then coming to real-time capture. So captures and correlates. Basically correlates means finding the relationship between two logs. So it comes under the correlates. So real-time machine and generating machine generated data. Then visualization, produce graphs, reports and dashboards of basically it provides a dashboard. It's a simple thing. It's provide a dashboard and reports. So then coming to this architecture, basically universal forwarder. Already I told you why we use universal forwarder. It must be configured in the target system for generating logs. This is the thing of universal forwarder. I'll tell you a simple example. It's like a postman to collect the letters from the houses. So if you want to do some posting, what you will do, you will write the address and you will give to postman. The postman will do posting. So for destination where the letter need to go. So next heavy forwarder. We will discuss load balance later. Heavy forwarder. Basically it's like a filter of the logs. Basically it's a filter of logs. It's like a postman. I'm saying in the example way. It's like a postman sorting like only urgent post. So any some emergency post we need to do some we will say like fast speed post. It's an urgent way. So it will figure out urgents. So it will do that. Then indexer. Basically the indexer. See here indexer. Indexer means stores and organize the logs for searching. Basically stores and indexing filter data, enhancing performance. We have written here definition. So basically it stores and organize the data. It means in the searching bar, I will show you in the practical also. So it's like a library categorizing the books. Means for cybersecurity books need to be one row, and AI department should be in one row, and mechanical should be in one row. Like that we are categorizing books, and we need to means organizing the best way and good way. So this is the indexer. And coming to search header, what do you mean by search head? basically allows you to search the logs. It's allow you to search the logs, distributes search to indexer, enabling reporting and intelligence. So it's like a librarian. If suppose you are not able to find the books in the library, what you will do, you will take the help of a library person to find the books easily and fastly. So it's the same point of searching header also. If you want to search something in a fast way, so you will take a search header. So then deployment server, basically a deployment server like a shares the settings and configure to other parts. Basically it manages the data sharing and configure updates and among the components. Like I'll tell you an example. Like a school principal sending rules to the teachers, it comes under the same thing. So it will tell all the rules of all the parts. So then coming to the next part, which is license master. What do you mean by license master? Control license. Control license, basically it's like a control license, controls you use and license, like your manager checking how many employees are active, like that. It's like a license master. Then these are the versions here, Splunk Enterprises and Splunk Cloud and Splunk Lite. These are the versions of Splunk. Basically Enterprises means for analyzing logs, but for a big companies. So then coming to the cloud, it's hosted in online sector. So then coming to the Lite, for small use and small companies we use this Lite. So these are the basic thing here. I'll show you my Splunk. This is my Splunk. It's connecting now for my local server. Yeah, this is my Splunk. So basically this is the interface of my Splunk. So search and report, already I told you in the indexer and search header, this is called search header. Whatever things you want to search here, you can search directly and you will get the logs. So this is my indexer I created. I'll show you how to create index also in the previous. This is indexers. Present I having indexers. It's loading. Yeah, these are the indexer. If you want to create, you can create the new index. So already I have an index, so I'll search in it. So this is the index is equals to, my index is cyber. I created indexes as a cyber. Then I clicked on, means this is a search header and this is the index. Click on search. So these are the logs. You can make it as a format, like log, impact, hidden, something, whatever things you want to configure, you can configure. I'll tell you the dashboard creation and everything in that detail in the further videos. So these are the things, these are the logs, and these are the sources. How many sources are there present? 3 sources are running here: security, system and application. A source type is this here, and what are the event codes present? Hundreds plus event codes are running in my system. So these are the events. So this is the thing. So thank you all.